Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SBI Maldives online banking login error fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, what you can do first is check your internet connection. Login fails if the connection is weak, so switch between stronger Wi-Fi connection by simply tapping on the Wi-Fi and switching it. Then if that doesn't work, try switching it to the mobile data, and if that still doesn't work, then restart your router. The next method is to verify your username and password. Login error often happens due to wrong capital letters, extra spaces, and old saved passwords, incorrect keyboard layout as well. Always type your credentials manually, not autofill. The next method that you can use is simply heading over to your settings, and inside settings, simply scroll down and then tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and now once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the SBI Maldives mobile banking. Let me just assume this Mizan Bank is that app, and on tapping it you'll find the option upload app. Simply select that, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, what you can do is go back and try again, and that will fix the issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over to your App Store, then on the search bar type in SBI Maldives mobile banking, and then once your search result loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.